Good day everybody. Today I am going to show in this demo how data science can be used with Python and Selenium. This is the test script details. I am going to kickstart the test script execution. The test script execution has kickstarted. So I have choose a scenario. I am going to do a keyword search in Amazon website. Once the keyword search is being performed, data is scrapped from the Amazon. For example, here a keyword search of Samsung Smart TV has been done. Once the keyword search is completed, the amount and the discount are scrapped from this website. Once this amount and discount are scrapped from this website, it is used in analytical reports. The analytical reports such as bar chart and pie chart are generated. So now the bar chart is generated and pie chart is generated. Let us analyze the details quickly. X-axis discount details are there, and in y-axis price details are there. So this has generated a useful analytical report. Another type of report is a pie chart where the price and the discount has been used to create a pie chart. So by using Selenium and Python, we have scrapped the data from the website and we have created the useful analytical reports. How the report looks like. The Python reports looks like. This is the Python report which is being generated. There are various details in this report. So to summarize, we have scrapped the data from the website and we have created useful analytical reports using Python and Selenium. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.